Alright, so to start, you're gonna need these pieces, these little white rods. There's 3 here. You're gonna connect them onto these white gear looking things. There are 3 of them connected together with one of these white rods connected to it. Then you connect all 3 of those to that. And then you're gonna need one of these half ones. You're gonna line them up in 3. So like there's 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna do like the same thing we did over here, but over here. Then you're gonna need these pieces right here. They're light gray. And you're gonna connect them. There's 3. You're gonna want to connect those to these rods. And then there's gonna be these really small black rods. If you can see that. You're gonna wanna, there's gonna be 3 of those, and you're gonna connect them to 3 of these less than half ones. They're slightly angled. The half ones are like full. It's minus one of those, so it looks like that. And then you're gonna put the white rods over here again, in 3 again. And you're gonna put another set of half gears or whatever in here, connected to these rods. And then you're gonna take the white rods and put one here, and then put one here, but not in the middle, because then that would block the trigger from going through. And then you're gonna connect all these together using more black rods. There's gonna be 3 of these here, 3 of these here, and then 3 of these here. And now you're gonna wanna make another set. You're gonna have 2 more white gears, and you're gonna put them over this you're gonna want to put them over another half gear like this. You're gonna put them in between these white gears. Okay, hold on, let me get an example. So you see these, you're gonna take these and you're gonna put it in between here like that. And then for the trigger part, you're gonna want to take another one of these black rods. You're gonna want to put it on this end, so it should look like this. And then you're gonna take another white rod, this piece, and you're gonna want to put it right here, so that it now looks like this, kind of like a mini gun. Like if you can see that, there, it looks kind of like a mini gun. And you're gonna put those in between here, and then you're gonna take one of these blue rods, then stick them through the holes in between these, like that, so that this can now move freely. Then you're gonna want to keep it together using one of these on each side. And then if you notice, there are like holes, not the hole in the center, but there are holes on the gears that are not in the center. And you're gonna want to put one of these things, if you can see, on the edge there's like a Among Us dude there, which I hate, with a little peg through his head, so he's dead. You're gonna put them through one of those holes like that. That's gonna keep those together, and that's gonna be a functioning trigger. Now, back to the gun. You're gonna use the same 3 light gray pieces on this side right here, and line those up. Now, connected to this white gear assembly, you're going to attach them with white rod. Attach these to these with white rods. And then you're going to use some more half pieces. You're going to use, to connect these 3 half pieces right here, the black and the yellow. Yours will probably be yellow though. Then you're going to connect those here to this assembly with black rods, and here to these light gray pieces with black rods again. And then you're gonna want to make like a pattern thing with the white rods. See, like these are going down here, so then these are gonna go up here, and it's just down, up, and stuff like that. So like there, and then you're gonna put one there, and then you're gonna repeat this process 3 times. Well, you're gonna do it all the way up until here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you're gonna want to leave room on the bottom so that it kind of looks like a gun. But after this first piece, you're gonna keep 3 of those there. There's gonna be this red piece here, which is gonna look like this, that you're gonna put in there. That you're gonna put in there. And then once it's like that, it's gonna go in there like that. You're gonna connect this white piece, or this yellow piece, my brain is not working, with this red piece using a connector rod, a black one. These things. You connect them to here, and then you're gonna, hold on a second. Oh yeah, so your piece should look like this. It attaches onto these gray pieces. This is what's right here. You're gonna put that in there, and then have it connect through with these white things. The white rods. I need more white rods. This one. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my entire thing. Look at all that. It's my workshop though. Well, quote unquote workshop. To me it's sorted, but to everyone else it's messy. Alright, now. Yeah, alright, so this white piece is gonna go like there. And then the whole assembly. I know I'm not one of those YouTubers. Oh yeah. By the way, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Lol. Okay. So your piece should look like this. And that's gonna go right there, like that. Oh, uh-oh. Never mind. Your piece should look like this. Right? And then that's gonna go in between these things, all of these, the assembly I showed you to make. And then you're gonna need like this wheel thing. This is going to be the ammo wheel, you know, that holds all the rubber bands. Yeah, so you're gonna need to make one of those. That's going to be one of these white circles with these black rods. It's gonna go all around here, kind of like this. Well, let me fill it up a little. Alright, there, your ammo wheel should look like this. And then you see on the third, I don't know if you see there, on the third half wheel here, half gear, you can see there's the ammo wheel that I made right here. So you're gonna put another peg through this, like that, and connect it to these sides. And then you're gonna use the same way I showed you how to use the Among Us dude with pegs and put them in the holes of the half gear on each side to keep them stable, or to keep them from falling out. And then you're gonna need a rubber band here, but as you can see at the tip here, I used more white pegs here and here, right here, and then right here to keep these pieces together, keep all these from falling apart. Oh no, I forgot. Over here, So at this third part, just in front of the wheel, there's another red piece. And it should look like this. It goes in between these two. It's right in front of the wheel. And it's placed like this. See, like there? And it's gonna go there. Alright. Now for the rubber band part, you're gonna need a rubber band. Once you have all this done, your trigger here, I don't know if you can see, but that part's moving over there. But you're gonna take your rubber band, you're gonna wrap it around, you're gonna take it, and then you're gonna put it so that it's wrapped around the top of your trigger piece with the white rod, and then you're gonna take the other half and put it in this little crevice right here above this white rod, which is like right here. It's in between the things. And you put that there, and that's when it's gonna allow it to shoot. And then to load it, oh, I almost forgot again. So up at the front here, you're gonna take 2 pieces. It's another one. Where'd it go? There's one. So you're gonna take 2 of these pieces. They look like little claws or whatever. And you're gonna take 2 of them. Alright? Like that. Once you have all 3, this is kind of complicated, but if you shuffle them together, then you can make it go in between 2 of these. 2 of these half wheels. And then you can put them side by side, and so it's like half, like, hold on. See, like that. They were pushed right there. And it's gonna be like that. Now for the loading. Now, you're gonna look for this back wheel, like this back peg, the backmost peg, which is right here for me, since it's already locked. So you're gonna wrap that around here, not at the notch at the bottom, and then you're gonna put this all the way up here at the black pegs that I just showed you how to do, like that. Alright. And then, if you've done everything correctly, it should shoot like that. There it goes. Like and subscribe.